Hey everyone, this is Trackmaster, and today I'm gonna unbox Trackmaster Thomas and the Monkey Power set. I got this set when it was released back in 2018. I didn't get a chance to open it, so I'm doing it now. So here's the front, side, the other side, as see on the show. The back, the top, and the bottom. This set is from season 22 episode Thomas and the Monkey Palace. So I'm gonna unbox this. So I'm gonna do it off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed Trackmaster Thomas and the Monkey Palace set. I got it out of the box, and I read instructions. So I put all the track pieces together, and it looks like the Monkey Power set. So I just gave Thomas 2 AAA batteries. I gave Thomas a test one, and it works. So let's get Thomas to test one on the Monkey Power set, shall we? Wow! You see that? The crane just caught the monkey and put it on the platform. Wow! Let's see Thomas once around the Monkey Power set. Let's try the second monkey, who is standing next to the buffers. I'm gonna put the monkey on the freight cars, and I'm gonna remove the monkey and put the queen on the tracks. See? Let's see that again. Wow! That's awesome! Well, that's a cool Monkey Power set, don't you think? Send a nice comment and press the like button if you enjoyed this video. Well guys, that's it with this unboxing, review, and test run of Trackmaster Thomas and the Monkey Power set. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.